शेनवारा राज्यात राष्ट्रीय अग्निशामक सेवा दीस मनयलो. ह्या निमतान पणजे फायर स्टेशनान कार्यावळी आयोजीत केल्ल्यो. त्या भायर फायर खात्यान आयोजीत केल्ल्या विविध सर्तीचे ह्या वेळार इनामां वांटप सुवाळो जालो. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
शिस्तबद्ध संचलनाक सुरवात जाल्ली आसा. परेड कमांडर अर्कुलान किंतोजा हांच्या फुडारपणाखाला असिस्टंट परेड कमांडर जावन आसात स्टेशन ऑफिसर सुशील मोरजकार आनी पयल्या पंगडाचें नेतृत्व करता स्टेशन ऑफिसर संतोष गांवडे. तांच्या पावलार पावलां धरून हुस्को लागून घेवन फुडें आयल्या स्टेशन ऑफिसर संतोष शैलेश गावडे. की ताळयो मारून तांकां उर्बा दिवची आनी तांची उमेद वाडोवची. स्टेशन ऑफिसर नामदेव परवार. 14 एप्रिल हो भारतभर अग्निशमन सेवा दीस म्हणून मनयलो वता. ह्या दिसाचें म्हत्व अशें आसा की 1944 सालान मुंबयच्या विक्टोरिया बंदरान SS फोर्ट स्टिकीन ह्या एका तारवाक उजो लागिल्लो. ह्या तारवान व्हडा प्रमाणान स्फोटकां भरिल्लीं आशिल्लीं आनी ह्या तारवाक उजो लागून ताजे बरोबर आनी 14 अश्योच तारवां म्हणजे शीप उद्ध्वस्त जाल्ली, जातून 336 लोक जळलेले. मुंबय फायर ब्रिगेडीचे 66 फायर फायटर्स ऑफ मुंबय फायर ब्रिगेड had died. Over 3,000 injured आणि 1,500 people were dead or missing. भारत सरकारान 1968 सालासान 14 एप्रिल हो नॅशनल फायर सर्वीस डे असो म्हणून जाहीर केलो आनी ताजे उपरांत 14 ते 20 एप्रिल हो आमी फायर प्रिव्हेन्शन वीक म्हणून मनयतात.
It is a grim reminder of the reality that the call of duty has its price tag in the form of risk to one's own life when trying to save the lives and property of others. Highlighting the need of awareness among the citizens of safe practices and promoting the value of prevention, this year's theme for the Fire Prevention Week is Fire Loss is a National Loss. Let us adopt fire safety measures. Any fire event brings in its wake loss of life, injuries, and loss of damage to property. Such an event casts its impact on the local economy and through it impacts the state and nation's economy. Progressively, we are realizing this dimension and factoring it into preventive education of the citizens. Under the Safe Student Awareness of Fire Education program, the department conducts basic fire safety and evacuation drill for secondary school teachers. So far, 3,883 teachers have been trained who conduct this training in their schools.
It's a solemn occasion which we remember the sacrifices and also renew our resolve to deal with this particular aspect of our life, which is both necessary growth, fire, but also has to be controlled and regulated. Any fire force, apart from the discipline, men and morale, needs to be equipped. And in this regard, the presence of our company colleagues from Austria, Germany, if I'm not mistaken, and the equipment that is being displayed, and many of our citizens for the first time will see the growing capability of the force as Goa develops both vertically and in terms of its own industrial and economic base. Our capacity to respond to various kinds of emergencies must grow. And in that sense, for many things, for many of these responses, Fire Force will become the first responder, going beyond its very, very old and traditional definition of what it was supposed to do. And I'm glad that the Fire Force Goa is making very confident strides towards a all-round, multi-capable force that it should be.